Hey there, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some exclusive photos of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, both from the front and the back, and of course the phone is actually turned on. Now full credit goes to my Facebook follower and fan Johnny Trevino, who kindly provided these photos. My friend, I highly appreciate it. And of course, if there's anybody else that wants to share photos of the Note 20 Ultra, of the Note 20, just let me know. DM me on Twitter or Facebook. Anyway, let's take a quick look at all these photos one by one. Alright, so here we have the front of the display with that small punch hole cutout and super thin bezels on all four corners, especially the sides. But as you can see, the top and the bottom bezels are quite small. In previous leaks, we did not quite get a chance to see the bottom bezel exactly, and in this video, you can see it in its full glory. Now, if you were to grab a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and compare to this photo, you'll see that the bezels are not that much thinner, but they're slightly thinner, and honestly, it looks fantastic. There it is. That's the bottom bezel that you've never seen before. And there's that black S Pen just sitting on top of the actual phone. Now let's look at the rear of the phone real quick. Now that color is probably black, but the light makes it look like it's a different color. Could be a different color, I really don't care. But you can tell by the back that it's the real deal. I was skeptical in the beginning when I saw these photos, but when I saw that back camera module, that huge camera module, I knew this was a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So that's the last photo. Take a good look at it. And that's it in this video, guys. Like I said, if anybody else has any information on the Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra, just DM me on Twitter or Facebook. I love to see these phones before they get released. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.